Hi everybody! Today I would love to share with you my 4 pretty and glamorous hairstyles, especially for those of you who run out of the ideas for the special events like Valentine days that is coming up very soon. I promise you that this style will look so gorgeous on you, so stay tuned. First, I'm going to twist my hair, make it into a total of 4. As you can see that I take a chunk of hair from the right just above the eye level, start twisting it and pull it to make it a little bit more messy and effortless, but you don't need to if you don't like messy look, and then secure it with bobby pin. And repeat the same step to below part of hair and also to the other side. This is my final look for the first cute hairstyle. Very sweet and practical. My second style, I'm going to take some part of the hair just below the 4 twisted hair that we just made, tied it up loosely like you can see and twist it in. Gently pull it and just to make it volumize, and push it back up and secure it with bobby pin, creating like a beautiful butterfly. I just think that it looks really attractive, very suitable for romantic candlelight dinner with your special ones. My third hairstyle, I'm going to make a very tight and super high ponytail. And then I tied it like a donut. I slowly gather all the hair, the remaining hair at the back. Tease it just a little bit just to make it stay in place well. And then bring it around the hairband and secure it with bobby pin. With a little bit of help of hairspray, will help to make my flyaway to stay in place. And that's done. It's so gorgeous. It's great for unwashed hair, but shh, don't tell anyone. My last hairstyle today, I call it a fan hairstyle. So just in case your boyfriend is getting heat up, you could use this to cool him down, don't you think? I'm just joking. Personally, I really like this because of 3 major reasons. Very easy to do when I don't wash my hair, and it does make me feel taller. So I hope you guys like my video today and hope you have a very happy Valentine, and see you soon. Bye!